Hello, brother.
This town. It's the one from my dream. Doesn't seem to be doing too well.
Being a puppet. Being a puppet is easy.
What would you like to buy?
Go and follow the tongues.
Kakite.
But I enjoy being a puppet.
That's the place. I've got to find the man in white.
Did you hear about Snow White?
Shut up about Snow White. Every time you tell the story, we're playing.
What the hell are you talking about?
Snow White escapes from Foster's prison camp. Next thing you know, he's killing guys with a machete.
Oh, that's the worst version of the story I ever heard. You ruined the drama. Sounds like Hoyt needs to step in, if it's true. Hoyt would make quick work of the guy, that's for sure. Probably kill him with his own machete.
He already did with the owner of the mine. Hoyt's an artist.
You'll cure this one, Bishop. Am I right?
What'd you say you look like again?
All in.
Nice play.
That's the guy from my vision. He's gonna lead me to Keith and Oliver. That man's the key to this. I know it. Can't let him see me.
Citrus dipped up her attacks.
Why?
Bad blood.
Point of advanced money. Power. I would have done the same thing.
That man's the key to this. I know it. Can't let him see me.
Citrus dipped up her attacks.
Why?
Bad blood.
Point of advanced money. Power. I would have done the same thing.
That was close.
You're getting old.
God damn it. Don't get ahead of yourself. We'll take care of one problem at a time.
I gotta keep up with him.
Very soon. The season isn't completely done yet.
You have that info about your
So
Johns?
what's the plan?
I wrote it out.
Didn't think.
Not that often I get to hold a pen. So much for English
You do
school.
what you want.
Here's your money.
I don't need to piss off.
Take him inside or get rid of him.
Hey! Fucky, fucky, sucky, sucky. Those
I
words
don't need this.
interest
Or
you?
you.
I'm working
Go.
tonight.
We all are, baby.
Nobody has better quality than me. Nobody. And if they say they do, then they are lying. Jealous,
All right.
thieving bastards.
Where's my fucking
Who are
money?
afraid of me and my
Gotta stay on him.
I don't fucking care, twerp. Better not be holding out on me.
I don't feel good.
You want some medicine?
Please don't.
Take your medicine. Feel better? You lie to me again, and I
Gotta keep up with him.
kill you.
Mister. One last blowjob before you die? Hmm?
I gotta stay on him. Oh man, almost. Oh man, almost.
You're getting old. Huh? You're getting old.
You have 10 seconds to tell me who you are before I remotely detonate the C4 under the table and this whole place explodes like a pop bottle.
Jesus!
I doubt it. 5 seconds.
Jason Brody!
Really?
Yes!
So you're Snow White.
Yes, or no, which one gets me blown up?
A pragmatist. Promising. But do you consider yourself a patriot, Mr. Brody? Thing is, the real patriot doesn't just put his hand on his heart while holding a hot dog at the ball game. That's a gosh darn cakewalk, pardon my French. The real patriot suckles at the teat of Lady Liberty. Upon hearing of the death of a brother at war, the real patriot asks, "Did we win?" And then rejoices at the pronouncement of victory. So, are you a real patriot or one of those Walt Whitman hippies who cries when the jean store runs out of pocket squares?
A real patriot.
Bingo. That's what I like to hear. By the way, Voss has your friend Oliver Carswell, and I'm zeroing in on Keith Ramsey.
Why are you looking for them?
It's my job to know this island inside and out. I can help you, but you gotta play the game. There's something I'm looking for. We'll trade favors.
Deal.
Jason.
What are you? Some kind of spy?
I'm not gonna confirm or deny that. Just messing with you. I work for Langley, Agent Willis Huntley.
Oh, great. I need to get help from the army and the government.
You can't. I'm embedded, not really in contact with Central Intelligence.
So, you're alone here?
No. You kidding? I got a whole team. They're out in the field, but they'll be back. These scans they sent have opened up a grade A can of worms. I can't talk to you about it, but trust me, it's big.
Sounds huge.
I need more info, though. From the source. Flammenwerfer. Flamethrower. This beauty was invented in Krautland. Hoyt Volker is the boss of a very good friend of yours, Voss. He also happens to run the largest slave trading ring in the South Pacific. On top of that, he grows drugs. If we set fire to his fields and his boat, he's gonna canoe over to this island. I get what I want, and we learn more about your friends. Capiche? I feel like that's only an Italian thing. Only Italians can say that. It's like spraying furniture gold. You know what I mean? Anyway, here's the gun.
Wow. Thanks.
That's what I like to hear. Don't forget the boat.
Yeah, I got it. I'm trusting you on this thing with Hoyt. I'll play ball as long as it gets me closer to finding my friends. Maybe Dennis knows more about Hoyt.
They don't want you to know. They don't. What would you like to buy? Kakite.
Hey, Dennis?
Jason, what did you find?
The vision led me to the man in white. Turns out he's a spy or something.
Funny. I've never heard of such a man here on the island.
Yeah, he told me about Voss's boss, Hoyt.
Hoyt Volker. Stay away from him, Jason. You think Voss is crazy? All the evil on the island, it comes from Hoyt. He took Voss's mind away from him. It is he who pulls the strings.
Wow. Okay, I'll be careful.
I'm sick of this place. This island and everyone on it can burn in hell. It burns like a mother when I piss. Should have used the rubber. Shit, it burns like a mother when I piss. Should have used the rubber. Holy fuck! Why are there bodies here? I'm getting bored now. Holy fucking shit! I'm gonna find you and kill you! I can't wait to fuck someone up for killing him! Fucking rebels! Let them keep this. Fuck! So many bodies! You got this, man! You got this! They will not be taking this outpost back! You got the bullets, nothing to be afraid of.
It was beautiful once. It will be again.